For WTSA News and for Brattleboro Community Television on this Wednesday, January 27th, my name is Ian Kelly. These are some of the stories we're following at this hour. Windham County had 2 new COVID-19 cases reported yesterday. The Vermont Health Department says there were 115 new positive tests across the state. 17 new cases reported for COVID-19 in Cheshire County yesterday, while the entire state of New Hampshire reported 4 new deaths and 435 new positive tests for the virus. There were 8 new COVID cases reported in Franklin County, Massachusetts on Tuesday. Statewide in Massachusetts, there were 41 new deaths and 2,215 cases of the virus. Senator Patrick Leahy was taken to a Washington, D.C. area hospital for evaluation last evening. Leahy later went home. A spokesman for the senator said Leahy was in his Capitol office on Tuesday and was not feeling well. He was examined in the Capitol by the attending physician. Out of an abundance of caution, the attending physician recommended that Leahy be taken to a local hospital for observation, examined, and sent home. Governor Scott, Health Commissioner Mark Levine, and Financial Regulation Commissioner Mike Pichak have tested negative for COVID-19 7 days after their last exposure, ending their quarantines. Since the potential exposure to a COVID-19 positive individual was learned, no one in attendance at the 2 impacted coronavirus briefings has tested positive. A spokesman for the governor says the test results show the importance and effectiveness of safety protocols that are in place. Vermont's seasonally adjusted unemployment rate was 3.1% in December. That's slightly higher than the previous month. State Labor Commissioner Michael Harrington says the numbers do not reflect the true state of the pandemic, as the workforce has shrunk by more than 20,000 people. It's likely that people will return to the workforce after the COVID virus subsides. Harrington says now is a good time to improve your job skills through several programs run by the department. Senator Bernie Sanders and several colleagues have introduced legislation that would raise the federal minimum wage to $15 by 2025. The proposal would hike the federal minimum to $15 in 5 steps over the next 4 years. Beginning in 2026, the federal minimum wage would be indexed to median wage growth. According to a new study by the Economic Policy Institute, the act would increase wages for nearly 32 million Americans, including roughly a third of all Black workers and a quarter of all Latino workers. WTSA Sports. Locally, the Hinsdale girls varsity basketball team beat Massenic Tuesday night 57-26. Delaney Woolcock scored 16 points for the Lady Pacers. The Bruins beat Pittsburgh 3-2, Craig Smith scoring the game winner in overtime for the Bees. The Bruins next host Pittsburgh tomorrow night. Puck drops at 7 p.m. And the Celtics are in San Antonio this evening up against the Spurs. Tip-off for Boston-San Antonio this evening is at 8:30. For WTSA News and for Brattleboro Community Television on this Wednesday, January 27th, my name is Ian Kelly.